chicken, steak, coleslaw, sweet potato fries, and it's all in a 12-inch bun with mango barbecue sauce. This is the start of the Chimu revolution, where the magic happens. Tons of love. Lots of love. Yeah, there's a lot of love in this shop.
Here if you want me, I ain't gonna push and shove. Cause baby, all I really want to be is balls deep in your love. Balls deep in your love. Balls deep in your love. Balls deep in your love.
Dave, what happened to your pants? Oh, you're eating a Chimu sandwich. That's why.
Is that good?
That explains everything. The Chimu just does that to you.